we gonna do on the farm today?
Come here, fam. I'll show you what we're gonna do today.
Today,
We're smelling the flowers! Hey guys, this reminds me of the time that we planted seeds. Oh yeah, I remember that.
that was so cool. Yeah, that was so fun, guys. I want to see more seeds.
I would have put something in my room. Okay, I got you. I'll be right back.
We'll meet you at the hay.
Boys are boys.
Not funny. So hot up here. Where's LA?
It's so hot out here.
Yeah.
I'm coming! I'm coming! I'm coming! Here I come! Hey guys, I made it.
What do you have in your hand?
I told you I got y'all. What's that? Gardening gloves, a bucket to put our seeds in, garden tools, and flower seeds.
What type of flower seeds?
We have Johnny Jump Up, Moss Rose, and Kaiden's favorite, lavender.
Where's the soil?
I'll be right back. I'm back. I can't wait to plant these flowers.
I can't wait to plant lavender. Can we plant this just like in the garden?
You sure can.
First, put the soil in the bucket. Second, you want to dig a hole. Third, you're going to put your seeds in the soil, and then you'll take your soil and pack it over the seeds. And then pack it gently. The fourth and final step is to add a little bit of water to your seeds, and then you're done.
See, wasn't that fun? It sure was.
Yeah.
That reminds me of a game.
What kind of game?
Game time, game time.
We're going to be playing a game called Seed Time. So, the player will stand behind this line right here, and they have 3 different seeds. You have 1 small one and 2 big ones. And we have 3 holes for each of our players. So, the small seed right here, you have to make sure it goes in this hole. And the 2 big ones are going to go in these 2 holes. The first one to complete this task wins.
You're
Ready?
going down. No, you're going down.
Looks like we got some fierce competition. Are we ready?
Yes!
3, 2, 1, go! Come on, come on, come on! Come on! Okay, it's winning. Come on, Kaiden, the seed right there. Come on. We have a winner! Miss Kaiden.
That game was fun. Good job, Kaiden.
Thank you.
You too, BJ. Good job.
Thank you.
But you know, this reminds me of a song.
Dig, dig, pat, pat, just like that.
Yeah.
and drop the seed. Give it water, pull the weeds. Pat the soil and make it tight. Seeds will grow with sun and light. Tiny sprouts will soon appear. Green and growing, spring is here. Every seed's a dream come true. Growing big, just like me too. Yeah. Pat, pat, grow just like that. Pat, pat, grow just like that. Pat, pat, grow just like that. Dig a little hole and drop the seed. Give it water for the weeds. Pat the soil and make it tight. Seeds will grow with sun and light. Tiny sprouts will soon appear. Green and growing, spring is here. Every seed's a dream come true. Growing big, just like me too. Dig, dig, pat, pat, grow just like that. 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 Dig a little hole and drop the seed. Give it water, pull the weeds. Pat the soil and make it tight. Seeds will grow with sun and light. Tiny sprouts will soon appear. Green and growing, spring is here. Every seed's a dream come true. Growing big, just like me too. Dig, dig, pat, pat, grow just like that. Dig, dig, pat, pat, grow just like that. Dig, dig, oh. Dig, dig, pat, pat, grow just like that. Oh, dig, dig, pat, pat, grow just like that. Oh, dig, dig, pat, pat, grow just like that.
Hey Kaiden, what you got? Farm facts ready? I got a lot. Tractors, veggies, seeds to grow. I'll tell you things every farmer should know. It's Kaiden's Farm Facts. Let's dig in.
Flower plants come in many different colors, shapes, and sizes. Flowers attract pollinators like bees, buzzes, and butterflies. So pretty. Speaking of butterflies, did you know they taste with their feet?
Our story is blooming like our flowers.
Today, we're smelling the